Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing nearly every aspect of our society. Recent technologies like neural networks, deep learning, foundation models have led to powerful new AI capabilities and applications. But how do you stay on top of a field where things are changing so fast, especially when you already have a day job? I'm Chris Manning, Professor of Computer Science and Linguistics and Director of the Stanford Artificial Intelligence Lab here in the heart of Silicon Valley. Even if you're not a student in my classroom here at Stanford, there's a way for you to learn about the latest research and practical applications of AI directly from our world-class faculty. In our Artificial Intelligence Professional program at Stanford Online, you'll get the same rigorous cutting-edge content we teach in our graduate courses here at Stanford. In each 10-week online course, you'll have the opportunity to meet your peers from organizations around the world, to test your know-how in challenging practical assignments, and to get support and feedback from course facilitators, people who have taken the graduate courses themselves and are now working in industry. Our courses cover many of the major branches of AI: machine learning, reinforcement learning, neural networks, natural language processing and understanding. Stanford's world-renowned faculty are research trailblazers who've profoundly shaped the subjects that they teach. They're not just instructors, they're the architects of AI. Stanford has long been at the forefront of AI. In fact, the term artificial intelligence was coined by former Stanford computer science professor John McCarthy, who organized the summer conference at Dartmouth in the 1950s. John was the founder of the Stanford Artificial Intelligence Lab that I'm honored to lead today. So whether you're an aspiring AI professional or an established expert looking to take your skills to the next level, the Stanford AI Professional program will challenge, inspire, and empower you to unlock the tremendous potential of AI and to become a leader in the field. Come join us at Stanford Online.